Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you Slowmo Capcut tutorial phase 2 slow on Capcut Android. I had prepared one video and also one sounds here. So the first I will click on the sounds clip, then I will click on the match out and auto generate the beat. I will use beat 2, then click save. And after that I will click on the video and also click on speed and click curve, and after that click customs and click edit, then I will adjust the speed. Click save and click save again, and after that you have to cut out the sound here. Click on the split, then click delete. So this is the result. So this is Slowmo Capcut tutorial. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.